Very good morning, class 12th. Here we are today to see the next topic of our chapter number 4, that is MTP, right? Okay, so it's general meaning, full form. First, let us see. MTP stands for medical termination of pregnancy. In our previous class, we studied about how we can avoid the pregnancy using contraceptive methods. We studied about barriers, we studied about IUDs, we also studied about the natural methods, and finally we studied about the surgical methods of contraception. Okay, so for example, means in some cases it happens that the pregnancy is unwanted. Okay, that it is by chance or by any means many chances are there. So we need to terminate that pregnancy. This is also can be called as induced abortion. मतलब जानबूझ करके बेबी को यूटरस से बाहर निकालना बिफोर इट मैच्योर्स, राइट? सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज MTP. Okay, in whole world approximately 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed per year in the world. मतलब हर साल लगभग 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed for abortion or induced abortion. Means if you count 1/5 of total pregnancies are aborted. मतलब जितनी भी टोटल प्रेगनेंसीज होती हैं, मतलब 5 प्रेगनेंसीज में से एक प्रेगनेंसी को अबॉर्ट कर दिया जाता है एज पर द वर्ल्ड डेटा, राइट? ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? इट इज़ कंट्रोलिंग द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ऑल्सो, है ना? ओके, बट यू नो people are misusing it. Misusing, you know already for what? Because they are gender biased, है ना? So if the baby is girl, then they try to abort it, and if the baby is boy, they accept that pregnancy, right? So whether it is correct or incorrect means MTP right or wrong. Right or wrong, whether it is correct or incorrect, there is a big debate among the people, among the countries. So whether it is correct or incorrect. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Actually, before deciding whether it is correct or incorrect, we should know what is the purpose of MTP. Okay, purpose. Here what we discussed that 1/5 means out of 5 pregnancies one is aborted. Means what it is doing? It is controlling the population growth. But really, is it meant for controlling the birth or controlling the population growth, or it was meant for something else? Means this MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, was used to control the population only, or actually it has something different? So its purpose was something different apart from controlling the population. Its purpose was to, so you see we have already discussed that unwanted pregnancies, to avoid unwanted pregnancy. बट वो अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी, राइट? सो हियर विल सी व्हाट इज अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी, राइट? एंड दैट शुड बी एट मेडिकल बेस. ऐसा नहीं कि आप खुद ही कर लो, नो, इट शुड बी डिसाइडेड बाय द क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर्स और द प्रैक्टिशनर्स, gynecologist, then only that can be called as medically approved termination of pregnancy, right? तो देखते हैं MTP कब डिसाइड करते हैं whether it is MTP or not, right? Before that, one term again I want to remind you. I think you might remember. Amniocentesis. Amniocentesis was a technique in which we were taking some liquid from developing baby's surrounding area, and we could find out whether the developing baby is healthy or unhealthy or facing any genetical problem or anything else. Okay, so with the help of amniocentesis technology, we can find out whether the developing baby inside the uterus is normal or abnormal, whether it is facing any genetical problem or not. Okay, so this you remember, it is connected with MTP. So there are legal reasons for MTP. So there are many reasons after amniocentesis. If doctors found that embryo facing जेनेटिकल डिसऑर्डर्स, मतलब अगर वो डेवलपिंग बेबी में कुछ जेनेटिकल डिसऑर्डर हैं, ऐसी डिजीज़ है जो अनट्रीटेड है, देन वी कैन गो फॉर MTP with the permission of the doctors and government. It's a legal process, right? Okay. Second, if the embryo is found dead, then we can go for medical termination. Fourth, if any life risk to mother, अगर उस डेवलपिंग बेबी के कारण मदर को कोई लाइफ का रिस्क है, देन वी कैन गो फॉर MTP, राइट? देन फोर्थ, for example, many cases society is going to a different path. In case of rapes, because that is unwanted pregnancy, in case of this is also legal medical case, in case of this MTP is required. Okay, so under these circumstances, if any is following, but you can't decide it, it will be decided by qualified doctor or medical practitioners. If they give you certificate that out of these any 4 reason, 1 reason is valid, then MTP can be performed. Okay. But again question is there, up to what time MTP can be performed. So first of all already is given in your book itself. Within 90 days, within 90 days of pregnancy, MTP is safe. Okay, then after this time, it is 3 months, 3 months, or you can say approximately 12 weeks, up to 12 weeks or 90 days or 3 months, it is relatively safe. But after trimester, means after 4 months, means after 120 days, after 120 days MTP is highly risky. किसके लिए? For mother. Okay, and due to this, generally what may happen, it may cause death to mother or infertility, permanent infertility. Means after abortion, after MTP, next time that mother can't conceive, cannot become pregnant, because even it damages the uterus also. So if it is happening, then next time that mother will be unable to get pregnant or unable to give birth to babies. So this is also very important before going to the MTPs. Okay, apart from these safety issues with the MTP, still some trends are very common in our society. They are very bad for the society. So two trends we shall discuss. The first is MTPs are performed by untrained persons. क्योंकि जनरली क्या होता है, अगर सपोज ये रेप का केस है, कई लोग बताते नहीं हैं, या सपोज द कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन इज फेल्ड, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो they don't feel comfortable to discuss about it. So what they do, means the partners go to untrained person and they use high doses of medicines for abortion, or they can use the contaminated tools and all, and it creates problem to the health of both, female especially, right? So it is very bad trend in our society that unqualified or untrained persons are performing most of the MTPs in India. So it is very bad thing, right? So this is the first trend we need to focus, and we need to make the people aware about their reproductive health and to avoid it. It's very bad. Second trend, that already I told you, people first go for amniocentesis, and after amniocentesis, if they found it is baby girl, then subsequently they go for MTPs. This is also very bad trend in our society, right? It is disturbing the social structure. Already we discussed in our previous classes also, right? So we need to counsel the people about their proper reproductive health, and do not go for MTP with untrained persons and for getting the baby boy. Okay, everyone is same. So dear students, here we have completed the MTP part, right? And in this chapter, two topics are remaining: sexually transmitted diseases and treatment of infertility that we'll see in our subsequent classes. Please go through it again and prepare the notes. Okay, thank you so much.